We're in Helen this afternoon, y'all. We're about to go into Christoph's Caramel Corn and Coffee. We're gonna get some caramel corn for some Thanksgiving appetizers we're gonna be showing y'all later. We're paying for parking. We're probably gonna check out the quilt shop. I saw some new quilts in their window. Christoph's is back here, y'all, because it's not on the main strip.
No, it's not on the main strip. If you turn, you gotta come, if you're coming into Helen from Cleveland, when you come across the bridge past Paul's, it's your first left. Take a left and come right down here and it's on the left.
This is also where you can get on the carriage ride. He parked right there. Let's see, they have chocolate covered caramel, chocolate covered cherry, and then just regular kettle corn, cinnamon roll. Oh look, they have Mexican hot chocolate, Bavarian pretzel, old fashioned. Oh, gingerbread man, that's what we need.
Is that what you need?
Yeah. Okay. They also have spicy sweet, old fashioned cheddar, and I guess that's it. Okay. Where's this? Oh, that's we tried that last time, the deluxe mix, remember? You got that last time. Look how pretty that popcorn looks in those mason jars.
Yeah. Is this gingerbread man something you make during like this season?
Just the holidays.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Yes.
She's putting the chocolate on back there. That's beautiful. It smells so good in here too.
Yeah.
They have a good place to sit out here too by the river. The river's right over there. So that's it right there. Yeah, she said that people don't know they're down here, so this is where they are, y'all.
Yeah. Let's walk in the candy shop.
Here's a jerky shop back here too, y'all. This one stays open later than the other one on the main deal up here, but they're not there right now. They'll be back shortly, the sign said. So yeah, when you come right here, then you're at the band shell. This is where we used to play a lot. Yeah, that's a good store, the Comfy Corner. They got a lot of cute stuff in there. Here's the corner gift shop.
This one?
You want to do this one or the other one?
We don't know.
We'll go to Copper Kettle Fudge right here. Farmer's Movie Night Popcorn, 3 add-in flavors: cheesy cheddar, movie theater butter, and chocolate drizzle.
They do have good strawberries in it.
Yeah.
Chocolate covered strawberries.
Pralines, Buckeyes, and then the caramel turtles.
What about these, baby? I got these
Oh yeah, homemade peanut butter cups, yeah. They got the lights on the tree.
Yeah.
So we crossed over, and you come up this little ramp to get to the quilt shop. Oh, look at that cow pillow. That's cute. It smells good in here. Oh, look at this bear pillow. That's adorable. They got Christmas throws for $40.
Yeah.
That one's cute.
That's nice.
We'll be more than happy to open up anything so you can see the full pattern.
Okay, thank you.
Can we look at this one right here with the fox pattern?
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Oh, that's pretty, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's really
It
pretty.
does have the snowflakes on the reverse side.
Oh, okay.
yeah.
She said it's got the snowflakes. So
Yeah.
We've never been in here. Green tree. You like this green tree, don't you? He only likes white lights. I only like white lights, but I know I got a customer that loves money, and I know he loves them green lights.
Oh yeah.
He told me he loves money. He said he loved money so much that he, on his business cards, he had the letters printed in green ink.
Really?
Yeah. He said,
Green
son, I
ink.
love money.
green ink.
I'll have to get him that Christmas tree right there and tell him.
The grocery store, sporting goods store,
Yep.
green ink. Alright, we're back home. Let's make some appetizers. First, we're making a pigs in a blanket ring. It's a pull-apart pigs in a blanket ring. So, Sissy's gonna open up the crescent rolls. I'll link last year's Thanksgiving Appetizers video down below for y'all too. We made some different ones. We did make some pigs in a blanket, but they were Thanksgiving ones. They had, if I remember right, like cream cheese and cranberries and stuff in them, dried cranberries. It gave them a little bit of a sweet taste. They were really good. Okay, so we're just gonna unroll the crescent dough. We need to spray the bundt pan really good because we want this to come out of here. Yeah, we want it to come out of here really good when these are done. We just roll up the little smoky and the crescent dough. You can use canned biscuits for these too. I actually like biscuits better, I think, but got crescent rolls this time. We've got the oven preheating to 350 for these. When Sissy gets those two in, I'm going to try to stand them up closer to the middle like this so that hopefully they will bake up into a nice ring. Just like that. Okay, now they're going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. I'll just keep a check on them. Maybe 15 to 20 minutes.
You remember my baby time?
Are you excited? Look, he's already getting on his Thanksgiving Day best. Look at him. He is excited. For the next one, we need almonds, mayonnaise, cream cheese, bacon, green onions, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and sharp cheddar cheese. Sissy's shredding that for me right now. This is $1 Million Dip. So we're chopping up the onions, and we're gonna chop up the bacon. The bacon is cold. I have it left over from breakfast this morning, surprisingly. Okay, you got that cheese ready just about, Sissy? The cream cheese wasn't quite soft enough, so we're gonna put it on defrost for just a few seconds, soften it up a little bit more, and we'll be ready to mix this together. All right, that's pretty good there. Now, Sissy's gonna put in some mayonnaise. We need about half a cup in there, Sissy. And we need half a cup of these slivered almonds. I'm just gonna eyeball that. Might have been a little more than half a cup, that's okay. We like almonds. Now, we're putting in the cheddar cheese, but I'm gonna save some to sprinkle on top at the end, so I'm gonna leave a little bit in here for that. So we're putting in about 1.5 cups and saving a half cup to sprinkle over the top. Same thing with the green onions. I'll leave a few of those out to sprinkle on the top. We're putting in the bacon. And we're gonna put in some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. Just about 1/4 teaspoon of that garlic powder. Okay, we're gonna transfer this to this casserole dish here. This last one is my favorite. It's a turkey cheese and cracker board. We made one of these several years ago. They're fun because you can make them different every single time. We used a pear before for the turkey, and we may have made one another time with something else as the turkey. This time we're going to use a mango. So we have that as the turkey's body. There we go. I almost forgot about the piggies in the blanket, y'all. But they're okay. They're still fine. And they do pull apart really easily. Yeah, they're pull apart ones. Look at that. Isn't that great? And I got barbecue sauce to dip them in right there. We had just a little bit of the white pumpkin pies left over. That's the crust one, and this is the crustless one. So I sat those out too. See how they just pull apart?
You just pull them apart. I've never seen them
great?
done. I've never seen it this way.
That's barbecue sauce if you want to dip it.
Barbecue sauce, okay. Look at that.
I almost forgot about them. But how is that crunch on the outside? Is it good?
Crunchy!
I almost forgot about them.
That's really good, Mama.
Yeah.
That's really good. Y'all do that right there for your next get together. Mm-hmm. Take time waiting.
Oh, his legs keep coming off of him. Now this is a $1 million dip. Try that with one of the crackers.
I've always wanted $1 million. Never gonna get it. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.